How to enable offloading unused apps on your iPad. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel solution guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you could very easily enable to actually offload the unused apps on your iPad or iOS device. But as always, before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, if you don't know what offloading is, now offloading basically means that let's say you don't use an app for a certain while on your iPad or iOS device, your iPad is going to automatically offload and then keep that app in the background while not deleting its app and data, so that next time you could go ahead and open and reinstall the application again. So in that case, what you could do is you could go ahead and then simply open the settings app on your iPad. Once you open up the settings app, you'll see that this is how it is going to look like. What you have to do is make sure that you are under the general option, as in this case you can see. Make sure you go under the general tab, and then right over here you want to simply tap on iPad storage. As soon as you tap on iPad storage, you'll be able to see a list of different apps. Let's say you want to actually offload an app manually, you could tap on it and then tap on the offload app button. But let's say that you want to enable automatic offloading, then you have to simply tap on, you can see it says offload unused apps. What you have to do is tap on this enable button. As soon as you tap on the enable button, now if you don't use an iPad for a certain while, then your iPad is going to actually automatically offload some of the unused apps. You can see it says offload unused apps is enabled. You can change its preferences in App Store in settings. So in our next video as well, we'll learn how we can disable it, so make sure to check that out. But basically this is it. This is the way on how you could very easily enable offloading unused apps on your iPad. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.